Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to know about the deals on tablets on Amazon.in. The Prime sale will start on 11th of June. If you want to know about the card details, ICICI Bank and SBI credit card will be eligible for 10% savings, and also there will be more benefits for the Prime members. So if you are not a Prime member, you can join the Prime membership. Now many people want to know about the best price of tablets on Amazon.in. If you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, Amazon is a good place to buy because it was selling at a price point of 20,000 rupees few days ago. So if you get Tab S9 FE at a price point under 20,000 rupees only, then make the purchase. Next you will see discounts on iPad 10th generation and iPad 11th generation. The best price for iPad 10th generation 64GB version is about 24 to 25,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the 256GB variant of iPad 10th generation, in that case the best price would be around 32,000 rupees. And if you want to buy iPad 11th generation, in that case the best price would be 28,000 rupees. If you don't get these pricing, don't make the purchase, wait for another sale. Next, if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE or S10 FE Plus, in that case I don't think you will get great discounts on Amazon.in. The reason is very simple. Actually, Tab S10 FE and S10 FE Plus have been launched recently in 2025, so there will be very minimum price drop in case of these two devices. And also I think Tab S9 series is more value for money product than this S10 FE series right now. Also there will be discounts on Oneplus Pad 2. If you get Pad 2 at a price point of 33,000 rupees for the 256GB variant, you can buy that tablet. Also, you will get discounts on Lenovo tablets because Amazon sells Lenovo tablets. Also, you will get discounts on Redmi tablets, and also there will be discounts on Xiaomi Pad 7. The best price for Xiaomi Pad 7 128GB variant is about 23,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price would be 26,000 rupees. So these are some of the tablets that you can buy on Amazon.in, but don't buy any tablet above the price point I have mentioned in this video. And if you want to know the pricing of any other tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. I will make a separate video mentioning the best price of each and every tablet so that you get the best deals on Amazon as well as on Flipkart.com. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.